welcome to another short vlog lang. Happy Valentine's Day! Today we are celebrating the season and day of love. So hindi lang ito pang jowa, pwede rin pang friends, pang kamag-anak, co-worker. So ngayon ay magkakaroon lang kami ng simpleng celebration ni hubby. Hindi kami lumabas kasi may pasok siya the next day and I just got off work. So ayan guys, napakita ko sa inyo yung simple setting na aming table today or tonight. So, gagamitin na natin yung binili ko sa Burlington na, what do you call this? Placemat. And then, ito yung gift sa akin ni hubby. Alam nyo guys, gusto niya, alam niya talaga yung mga gusto ko. And then, chocolates, you're so sweet, hubby. And then later, bubuksan niya yung aking simple present sa kanya. Ayan. So, at the moment, I'm cooking steak. Kaya ako muna mag-relax si hubby kasi tomorrow may work siya. Luto tayo ng steak. And then, nagbe-bake ako ng pepper with cream cheese. Ayan yung ating bell pepper with cream cheese. So, first time ko gagawin to guys. So, hopefully masarap. I'm also making some toasted French bread. So, hindi ko nilagyan ng garlic. Pwede rin plain lang. Yan. Ayan, gorge. Medyo malapit-lapit na maluto, pero may dugo-dugo pa ng kaunti. So, naka-low heat lang tayo. Excuse ang aming kalan, ha. Kasi katalsikan yung mantika. Anyway, mag-inis naman tayo later. Then, ito yung toast natin. Luto na yung clam chowder soup. And then, ayun po yung ating bell pepper cream cheese. So, ayun yung mga desserts. Kaunti lang yan. Pakita ko sa inyo. Be mine. And then, meron tayong heart. Diba ang cute? Kandila. Ay, simple lang, guys. Hindi naman kailangan bongga, eh. Ayan. Mamaya papakita ko yung final, look na meron tayong steak sa gitna. Then, gorge, ito yung gift ko for hubby. Yan yung gift ko for hubby. Pero ano lang yan, simple lang. Hindi pa niya nakikita to, eh. Ayan, bubuksan niya. Pero nakakatawa to kasi sobrang gaan. Akala niya walang laman. Akala niya pinaprank ko lang siya. Pero itong gift ko sa kanya is something that he will be able to use every single day. So, ayan. Ito niyo ba yung olive tree? Yan yung binag ko last time. Di ba ang cute, no? Ayan. Excuse lang, marami pa kasi tayo mga anik-anik dito. So, magki-clean up tayo for, for spring na, guys. So, ayan. I hope you are having a wonderful Valentine's Day. So, yung maglilinis ako mamaya or tomorrow na lang siguro. Tapos, wala, short vlog lang talaga to para lang for memories lang. Kasi, I think last Valentine's Day ako nakapag-vlog. Para lang meron kaming cute ni hubby. And then, ayan yung aming table. Mag-update tayo ng ibang gamit soon dito sa aming mini condo. But, other than that, ayun, pagoda lang tayo kasi nga nag-work. And then si hubby works tomorrow morning. So, medyo late dinner na to. Siguro mga 8 PM kami kakain. Then, he has to kind of rest lang and then sleep at 10 or 9:30. So, yep. Luto na yung ating steak. Ayan, si hubby ay inaantay ko. Siya ay palabas na ng kanyang bedroom. Okay, so this is our table. Napaka-arty ko na naman, no? Ayan ang ating final setup. Very simple lang. I love it so much. Hindi naman kailangan bongga. Basta simple lang. Ganyan lang kami dito sa bahay.
Hey, what's up?
Happy Valentine's! Ayun yung gift ko sa kanya. Unboxing. Lagay mo nga. Ano mo nga kalagay? Aww. Aww. Happy Valentine's.
Happy Valentine's.
Open it.
Everybody.
Open it.
I don't have any scissors.
Hold on. It's very light, no? It's a prank! I'm just kidding. Are you sure? There's something in there, of course, see? Hindi ko na nga binox, eh. Alright. Okay. What's inside? Use the scissors. It's a back scratcher! 3.
I can scratch 3 at a time.
Are you happy?
Yes.
Hey, love you, dear.
Love you.
Wow!
Yes.
Use it. Try to use it. Scratch your back. Wow! Happy!
Yee, happy Valentine's.
So, ayan, Gorge, kami ay, kakain na. Grabe, haggard na saan lola nyo. Is it good, dear? You like it?
Yeah.
Good. Let me try it. Small lang tayo. First time ko to eh. It's good. We'll eat na muna. Alright, Gorge, kami ay, magpapahinga na. Magliligpit na ako ng aming mga pinagkainan, and then tomorrow na lang tayo magpa-vlog. Have a good night. Happy Valentine's Day.